Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome. It's me, Miranda, and I am here with my Wonton in a Million memory plan with me. The kit that I am using this week is from Planning City, and it's called Stylish AF. But I thought it was very appropriate because it has those pops of kind of leopard and these nails that I would totally do. And because it's still kind of warm, it's appropriate that this girl will have on shorts and a jacket. So those are the full box stickers. That's the bottom washi, and date covers in gold foil. And then this is the glitter headers that came with the kit. Some half boxes, quarter boxes, and habit trackers and flags. Here we have pattern washi, the weekly habit tracker checklist, some little things, more washi. Then we have deco here, ombre checklist, some little things, and a weekend banner. So we are going to get into it, get into it. So I thought that I would go in. I thought I grabbed gold date covers. I did. And I'm going to put my date covers down. This is a light gold. My date covers are not light gold, but I think it'll be absolutely okay. All right, so this is for last week, which is the 23rd through the 29th. So we're just gonna grab these here, and the white will help break up Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. So now that the foundation of the kit is laid down, I'm going through and I'm adding those little quarter boxes to indicate work. So one for each day of the week. And then I popped over in the sidebar because I use that weekly habit tracker to track my dinners. So I put a dinner script sticker there from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. Now I added some typewriter icons just to break up the fact that I'm typing a lot at work, and I just didn't want to use all laptop icons to indicate my work, which of course is the first thing I typically do every day. So coming on that Monday, I'm going to be putting down a flag that is foiled with rose gold to indicate some happy mail that I received from Red Lyric. And if you have not seen that flip through, I encourage you to check it out. I do believe I've already uploaded it on Instagram. She had some really cute dolls. Then there I'm also indicating Coffee Monday, and that sticker came from the Planning Queen, along with that quarter box that came from the kit. I'm using some little gold bows that I actually made for myself to just also indicate that I had another delivery of Happy Mail from Pink Kimono. And I grabbed those mandalas from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and I'm going to add it to just fill in that space there because it's all about, I'm not really a no white planner, but I feel like it's all about making the spread fat. You guys know that's my thing right now. I'm on that. That's the trend I'm on. I put down that ombre heart checklist, indicate my husband left for work on Monday where I recorded videos, and then I watched Discovery Plus. How many of you are obsessed with Discovery Plus? And if you are, what are you watching on Discovery Plus? And of course, we have to watch without the commercials. And then on Tuesday there, I used that post sticker. It's the script sticker and the icon that are from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And then I took a glitter header that came with the kit and I put it beneath that. Down on the bottom, I grabbed the deco. I grabbed that little, it's like a leopard kimono. And I indicated that my mother had an appointment that Tuesday for a CAT scan. And then I also used the YouTube sticker, and that one is also from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, to indicate that I recorded and edited YouTube videos that evening. So popping over on to Wednesday, I have a brown recycle to indicate my trash day, and that is from, I'm going to say that's Planning Queen, along with that little scroll. Those little gold scrolls are from Planning City. And then also that cleaning day sticker that has the broom and the duster, the mop and the duster. I love that in brown. I also indicated that I posted on Instagram with the little brown post. So as you guys can see, like, I'm actually putting the teeniest of tiniest tasks in this memory planner. I also indicated I'm still on Wednesday, YouTube, and then my 7:30 midweek Wednesday. Jump to Thursday, I had to run to the airport and swap out my car. And then I stopped by Walgreens to pick up a prescription. So I have a little brown prescription bottle there. I received some pricing from one of my vendors for work. So I also put that there because it was just this long thing. So I wanted to remember that. And then, of course, payday on Friday. Yay. Loving payday, right? Well, payday on Thursday. I don't get paid on Fridays. All right, so popping over to Friday, under work, I layered those little pills, and those were clear stickers from Planning City, and I just put that, you know, that's the day I started taking my meds. And then also I have an outstanding 9 o'clock appointment, and I am so sorry with the pinging in the back, but you know, I'm always trying to multitask. And then I put from the Happy Planner that washing machine, front loading, of course, and I indicate that I had laundry. And then I put that I worked out with V Fitness Nation, which is the name of the personal trainer that I'm working with. All right. And then I also indicated on the bottom with a little purse that came with the decor or the deco that my hubby returned home from work on Friday. All right, on Saturday, I used those cute pair of nude heels from the deco that came with the kit, and indicating that I ran to DSW, so I had to return some shoes. And then I also had a visitor, so I grabbed a little house heart sticker and indicated my visitor's name, another gold scroll from Planning City, and a social media sticker, script sticker. Then on the bottom, I grabbed that chocolate hat and I put recorded videos, used another glitter header from the kit, and then I had Zoom with my old time friends, caught up with them, called Zoom on the porch. For Sunday, just the ombre checklist, groceries, an Amazon order delivery, recorded videos, and of course I posted on Instagram. And that's my plans from last week. Whew, that was a lot. Okay, well, that completes our spread. It is rather cute. I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like there's some places that we could have filled in a little bit more here and there. But overall, I kind of like the way the spread turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving this Wonton in a Million insert though, and I can't wait to see if she has new ones for the rest of the year, for next year, or whenever it comes out I'll get an extra one so I'll have enough to finish the year. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, bella.